Breakups. It's like being written out of your own show, right at the good part, and then replaced.
Heartbreak.
Feel your feelings. No panic. Okay, maybe a little. Rule number 1 of Heartbreak Club. Don't pretend you're fine. You don't have to be Buddha on day 1. This isn't an emotional SAT. Yes, it hurts. Yes, it feels like you'll never be okay. Spoiler, you will, just not today. Your brain is lying to you. Don't fall for it. Your post-breakup brain is like a sneaky film editor. It only plays the highlight reel, the toxic bits, deleted like bad takes. That's nostalgia, not love. You missed the feeling, not the person, and that feeling expired, like holiday discounts. Unfollow isn't cruelty, it's self-care. Why are you doing this to yourself? You're not a spy. This isn't a Netflix drama. It's your life, and you're the lead, not an extra in theirs. Who are you without us? Your brain's confused. We turns into it and panics, but you existed before them, and you still do. It's time to remember who that was. Do what you love again. No filters, no approvals. Upgrade your inner self. This isn't about glow-ups or revenge bodies. It's about rebuilding a space where you like being alone with yourself. Give it time and stop comparing. Everyone heals at their own pace. It's not a race to see who bounces back the fastest. You're not behind. You're just healing. You survived. That's already a win. You made it through, and now you know you can stand up even when it hurts. That's a superpower. You did it. You're okay now. Go out and live your life. But first, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel.